Imagine you are walking to work in the morning. You pass a coffee shop. You want a coffee and maybe a small snack, but the line is long. People are waiting. What do you say when you get to the front?
I sometimes feel a little nervous when many people wait behind me. I want to order fast, but I also want to be polite.
I understand. Many learners feel that way. But ordering coffee and a snack is very easy. The sentences are short and simple.
Okay, good. So I am at the coffee shop. I wait in line. Now I am at the counter. What does the barista say first?
They usually say, "Hi there, what can I get for you today?" Or just, "Hello, what would you like?"
So they ask an open question. I need to tell them everything I want.
Right, you can say your drink first. For example, "Can I get a medium coffee, please?"
Can I get a medium coffee, please? That is a good start, but what if I also want a snack?
Then you add it after the drink. You say, "Can I get a medium coffee and a muffin, please?"
Oh, so I say everything in one sentence? Can I get a medium coffee and a muffin, please? That is clear.
Yes, it is better to say it all together. Then the barista knows everything you want.
Okay, that makes sense. Now, what about sizes? In some coffee shops, they have different names for sizes.
That is true. Some places use small, medium, large. Other places use words like tall, grande, and venti.
Oh, right, like at that big coffee shop. Tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large.
Exactly. So if you go there, you can say, "Can I get a tall coffee, please?"
Can I get a tall coffee, please? That is easy. But what if I forget their size words?
Then just point and say, "Can I get this size, please?" That always works.
Okay, pointing is helpful. Now what about the coffee itself? Sometimes I want milk in my coffee.
You can say, "with milk." For example, "Can I get a medium coffee with milk, please?"
Can I get a medium coffee with milk, please? What if I want less milk or more milk?
Good question. For less milk, say, "with a little milk." For more milk, say, "with extra milk, please."
With extra milk, please. That is simple. What about sugar?
With 1 sugar or 2 sugars. Or if you want no sugar, say, "No sugar, please."
No sugar, please. Okay, I can say that. Now, let's talk about snacks. What snacks do coffee shops usually have?
They often have muffins, cookies, croissants, and cake. Sometimes they have sandwiches, too.
Okay, so if I want a cookie, I say, "And a cookie, please."
Yes, but you need to say what kind of cookie. Chocolate chip is very common.
So I can say, "Can I get a medium coffee and a chocolate chip cookie, please?"
Perfect. That is a complete order. The barista understands everything.
Now, after I order, the barista sometimes asks, "Is that everything or anything else?"
Yes, they ask that to make sure. If you have everything, you say, "That is all. Thank you."
That is all. Thank you.
Or you can just say, "That's it. Thanks." Both are fine.
Okay, then they tell me the price, right?
Yes, they will say, "That will be $6.50. That means $6.50.
So I give them my money or my card, then they give me a receipt.
Right. Sometimes they give you a cup and ask you to wait at the end of the counter.
So I move to the side and wait for my drink, but what if I am in a hurry?
If you are in a hurry, you can say, "Can I get that to go, please?" when you order.
Ah, to go means I will take it with me. What if I want to drink it there?
For here, please. They might give you a real cup instead of a paper cup.
For here, please? Okay, I need to remember to say that at the beginning.
Yes, it is better to say it when you order. Then they know how to prepare your drink.
Now I am waiting for my coffee. The shop is busy.
Many people are waiting. How do I know when my coffee is ready?
The barista will call out your drink. They might say, medium coffee with milk, or latte for Alex.
So I need to listen for my drink or my name? What if I don't hear them?
You can go to the counter and ask, "Excuse me, is this my coffee?" Or, "Was that my order?"
Excuse me, is this my coffee? That is a good sentence. It is polite to say excuse me first.
Yes, always start with "Excuse me," then people are happy to help you.
Okay, so now I have my coffee and my cookie. I am ready to go. But what if something is wrong?
Like what?
Like if I asked for a small coffee, but they gave me a large. Or I asked for no sugar, but they put sugar.
Then you go back to the counter, say, "Excuse me, I ordered a small coffee, but this is large."
Excuse me, I ordered a small coffee, but this is large. That is clear. They will fix it.
Yes, they will make a new one for you. Just be polite and they will help.
Okay, that is good to know. Now let's practice some sentences together. I want to feel ready.
Great idea. Let's start with a full order. Alex, pretend I am the barista. What do you say?
Okay. Hi, can I get a medium coffee with milk and a chocolate chip cookie, please? For here.
That was excellent. Very clear. Now, what if you want a different snack?
Maybe a muffin. So I say, can I get a medium coffee and a blueberry muffin, please?
Perfect. You changed the snack. Now, what if you want it to go?
Can I get a medium coffee and a blueberry muffin, please? To go.
Yes, just add "to go" at the end. Now, what if you don't understand the price?
I am sorry, how much is that?
Good. Or you can say, "Can you say that again, please?"
Can you say that again, please? That is very useful.
Now, let's practice some more sentences. A very simple sentence is, "Can I get a coffee, please?"
Yes, that is perfect for a quick order. You can also say, I would like a latte.
Right. And if you want a snack, say, "And a muffin, please."
And a muffin, please. So you add it to your drink order.
Exactly. Now, what about the sentence, "Is that everything?" That is what the barista asks.
That is all. Thank you.
Yes. And finally, if you wait for your drink and you are not sure, say, "Excuse me, is this my coffee?"
Excuse me, is this my coffee?
Okay, let's do a quick recap of 3 easy sentences from today.
Good idea. What is the first one?
Can I get a medium coffee with milk, please?
That is your main order. Second sentence?
And a chocolate chip cookie, please.
That is for adding a snack. And the third sentence?
For here, please. Or to go, please.
Those 3 are perfect. You can use them in any coffee shop.
And remember, you can change the words. Coffee can be tea, medium can be small, cookie can be muffin.
Right. You learn the pattern, then you change the words. That is how you build confidence.
Exactly. Now, let's think about some other situations. What if you want a special kind of coffee?
Like a cappuccino or a latte?
Yes, you can say, "Can I get a cappuccino, please?" Or, "I would like a latte."
What if I want it iced? It is hot outside.
"Can I get an iced coffee, please?" Or, "An iced latte, please?"
Iced coffee means cold coffee with ice. Okay, I understand.
And what if you want a bigger size than medium?
I can say, can I get a large coffee, please? Or a grande coffee, please?
Perfect. Now, what if you are ordering for a friend, too?
Ooh, that is a good question. What do I say then?
"Can I get 2 coffees, please?" Or, "1 coffee and 1 tea, please?"
1 coffee and 1 tea, please. That is clear. Do I need to say the sizes?
1 small coffee and 1 medium tea, please.
Okay, so I say the size and the drink for each one.
Right. For example, can I get a small coffee with milk and a medium tea with no sugar, please?
That is a long sentence, but it is clear. The barista knows exactly what to make.
Yes, and if you are not sure about the words, you can always point at the menu.
Pointing is good. The menu shows pictures of the drinks and snacks.
Exactly. So you can point and say, "Can I get this one, please?" That is very easy.
Can I get this one, please? That works for drinks and snacks.
Yes. Now let's practice one more full order together. This time, imagine you want a cold drink and a snack to go.
Hi, can I get an iced latte and a croissant, please? To go.
Excellent. That was perfect. The barista will understand you completely.
I feel more confident now. These sentences are not difficult.
They are not difficult. And people in coffee shops hear these sentences every day. They are used to them.
So even if I make a small mistake, they will understand?
Yes, they will. They want to help you. They want you to have a good experience.
That is good to know. It takes away the nervous feeling.
That is why we practice, so you feel ready when you go to a real coffee shop.
Okay, I think I am ready. Let's do one more quick recap of the key sentences.
Can I get a coffee, please?
And a muffin, please.
Small, with milk, please.
For here, please.
Excuse me, is this my coffee?
Those 5 sentences will help you in any coffee shop situation.
Yes, and remember, you can mix them together to make a full order.
So, can I get a small coffee with milk and a muffin, please? For here. That is a full order.
Exactly. You took 5 small sentences and made 1 complete order. That is perfect.
This was very helpful, Lucy. I think our listeners will feel more confident now.
I hope so. That is our goal. We want you to feel comfortable speaking English in real life.
If today's conversation helped you feel more confident, please follow our podcast.
Yes, please follow us. When you follow, it helps our channel grow. Then we can help more people like you.
And when you listen often, your English improves little by little. Every episode teaches you new sentences for real life.
We are happy to practice with you every day. Keep listening and keep practicing.
You can do this. Ordering coffee in English is easy now.
Thank you for listening today. Have a great day, and we will talk to you next time.
Bye for now.